Flow, not just because it's in the name. We believe in this community, telling your stories, and standing up for this place we call home. News 4 is, and always will be.
You've been caught by Kundi Fight.
More people are getting affected. The city, please evacuate immediately. You must get these items before you go. These things will be phone, charger, alarm, clock, radio, hand battery and a flashlight, blankets, pillows, whatever things you can, medical aids, and more. If you can, please evacuate, be safe, and please exit the Canadian way. All Canadian borders will be opened. Alternating borders will be open and you don't have to pay for them currently at this time. Do not waste your whole time evacuating, just evacuate now. Normal programming will come soon. Next on is SpongeBob on 11:35 m on channel 302 on DirecTV.